Welcome to today's daily message. Today, my brief reflection is on the responsorial psalm for today's liturgy. Sometime today, now, later, whenever, sometime today, I invite you to slowly read through the responsorial psalm for today. And I invite you to focus particularly on the refrain. The Lord has done marvels for us. This psalm was written in the context of the restoration of the Israelite people after the exile, when they returned, and it expresses the joy that they feel that God has done great things for them, and they are rejoicing. I can tell you that the Lord has done marvels for me well beyond what I have ever deserved. He has given me, especially people in my life who have loved me, accepted me, who have gifted me with their friendship. And that's one of the important marvels that the Lord has done for me. Another one of the marvels that the Lord has done for me is the acceptance that I have received since I've been here at St. Nicholas. You all have opened your minds and your arms and welcomed me here, and I see that as a great gift from God. And so I invite you to think about today, what are the marvels that the Lord has done for you? What are those great things that the Lord has done for you today or yesterday or last week or whenever it may have been? Thank you so much for watching and listening today.